Ho Chi Minh City, formerly known as Saigon, is the largest city in Vietnam, with a population of over 9 million people. The city was renamed after the revolutionary leader Ho Chi Minh in 1976, but many locals still refer to it as Saigon. Ho Chi Minh City is known for its vibrant street food culture, offering a variety of delicious dishes such as pho, banh mi, and bun thit nuon. The famous Ben Ton Market, established in the 17th century, is one of the oldest and most iconic markets in the city, attracting both locals and tourists. The city has a tropical climate, characterized by a wet season from May to November and a dry season from December to April. Ho Chi Minh City is a hub for international business and trade, with many multinational corporations establishing their regional offices there. The War Remnants Museum provides a sobering insight into the Vietnam War, featuring exhibits on its impact on Vietnam and its people. The city's architecture is a mix of French colonial buildings and modern skyscrapers, showcasing its historical significance and rapid development. The Notre Dame Cathedral Basilica of Saigon, built between 1863 and 1880, is made entirely from bricks imported from France. The Saigon Central Post Office, designed by French architect Gustave Eiffel, is a stunning example of colonial architecture and remains fully operational. The city has a thriving art scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and cultural events that celebrate both traditional and contemporary Vietnamese art. The Jade Emperor Pagoda, built by the Chinese community in 1909, is one of the most famous temples in Ho Chi Minh City, known for its intricate sculptures. The city is home to the Saigon River, which plays a crucial role in its transportation and trade, as well as offering scenic views and a recreational area. Ho Chi Minh City's nightlife is bustling, with a wide range of bars, clubs, and rooftop lounges offering stunning views of the skyline. The city has a diverse population, including Vietnamese, Chinese, Khmer, and many expatriates from around the world. The Siu Chi tunnels, located just outside the city, are an extensive network of underground tunnels used by Viet Cong soldiers during the Vietnam War. Ho Chi Minh City has one of the fastest-growing economies in Southeast Asia, driven by manufacturing, technology, and tourism. The city's public transportation system includes buses, taxis, and ride-hailing services, but many locals prefer using motorbikes for convenience. The Bitexco Financial Tower, completed in 2010, is one of the tallest buildings in the city and features an observation deck with panoramic views. The city hosts the annual Ho Chi Minh City International Marathon, attracting runners from around the globe to participate in this vibrant event. The Reunification Palace, a historical landmark, was the site of the fall of Saigon in 1975 and is now a museum showcasing its history. The food scene in Ho Chi Minh City is incredibly diverse, with influences from various regions of Vietnam and international cuisines. The city is known for its coffee culture, with numerous cafes serving traditional Vietnamese coffee, often brewed with a drip filter. The Pham Ngo Lao Street area is famous for its backpacker scene, offering budget accommodations, restaurants, and nightlife options. The Bui Vien Walking Street has become a popular nightlife destination, featuring street performances, food stalls, and bars. Ho Chi Minh City is situated in the southern part of Vietnam, near the Mekong Delta, which is known for its lush landscapes and waterways. The city is a significant transportation hub, with Tan Son Nhut International Airport being the busiest airport in Vietnam. Ho Chi Minh City has a rich history, with influences from various dynasties, colonialism, and the struggles for independence and reunification. The city is home to several universities and educational institutions, making it a center for higher education in Vietnam. The Saigon Opera House, built in 1897, hosts a variety of performances, including opera, ballet, and traditional Vietnamese music. The local currency is the Vietnamese dong, VND, and while cash is widely used, digital payment methods are increasingly popular. The city's street vendors are an essential part of its culture, offering everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. The annual Tet Festival, or Lunar New Year, is celebrated with great enthusiasm in Ho Chi Minh City, featuring fireworks, parades, and traditional festivities. The city has a strong sense of community, with many local organizations and volunteer groups working to improve the lives of residents. The Saigon River is also a popular spot for boat tours, allowing visitors to explore the city's waterways and nearby islands. The city is known for its parks and green spaces, such as Tao Dan Park and Le Ban Tam Park, offering residents a place to relax and unwind. Ho Chi Minh City has a burgeoning tech scene, with many startups emerging in areas like fintech, e-commerce, and software development. The Vietnamese language, with its distinct tones and phonetics, reflects the country's cultural diversity and history. The city is also known for its impressive street art, with murals and installations found throughout various neighborhoods. The local fashion scene is vibrant, with many boutique shops showcasing the work of Vietnamese designers and artisans. Ho Chi Minh City has a significant expat community, with many foreigners choosing to live and work in the city, contributing to its multicultural atmosphere. The city is famous for its traditional markets, where visitors can find unique handicrafts, textiles, and souvenirs. The local cuisine emphasizes fresh ingredients, with many dishes featuring herbs, vegetables, and seafood. The city has a growing ecotourism sector, with initiatives aimed at promoting sustainable travel and preserving the environment. The traditional Vietnamese Ao Dai, a long tunic worn over pants, is often seen during festivals and formal occasions in Ho Chi Minh City.